Hey everyone, today we have a huge surprise straight from Google DeepMind. They just released the new Gemma 3 AI, and honestly, no one saw this coming. If you thought Gemma 2 was just okay, get ready because this new version is here to revolutionize everything. We're going to explore what this AI can do and how it's changing the game in technology. But that's not all. We'll also dive into two other incredible innovations, an advanced image generation system and a robot that can even pack your lunch. Stay until the end because what we're about to show you might change everything you thought you knew about AI. What is Gemma 3? So let's talk about the main highlight. What makes Gemma 3 so special? For starters, its performance is almost on par with the full-size DeepSeek, but with a huge difference. While DeepSeek requires multiple GPUs to run, Gemma 3 can do it all with just one. That means lower costs, less energy consumption, and easier deployment on personal computers, cloud services, and even edge devices. And not only that, it's an open model, meaning anyone can use it, test it, fine-tune it, and even adapt it for new purposes. This alone is a massive leap forward, making powerful AI more accessible to researchers, developers, and businesses worldwide. And if you think this AI is limited to processing text, think again. Gemma 3 is multimodal, meaning it can analyze images, interpret complex data, and provide intelligent insights across various tasks. It can solve intricate calculations, assist in financial decision-making, and even help you with confusing restaurant bills, like calculating an 18% tip on dinner in California. But that's just the beginning. With its advanced reasoning capabilities, it can break down legal documents, summarize lengthy reports, and generate creative content with a depth that rivals human-level understanding. But what really sets Gemma 3 apart is its efficiency and versatility. Unlike many large-scale AI models that require specialized hardware and massive datasets, Gemma 3 is designed to run smoothly on consumer-grade GPUs and CPUs, making it widely available for everyday users. Whether you're an independent developer, a startup, or a major corporation, you can now integrate cutting-edge AI without massive infrastructure costs. And with its ability to process and understand images, it can even assist with real-world problem-solving, like reading handwritten notes, translating foreign languages in real time, and identifying objects in complex environments. Simply put, Gemma 3 is not just an upgrade, it's a breakthrough in AI accessibility and performance. Comparison with other AIs. But hold on, if you're not impressed yet, let me show you Gemma's evolution and why this is a game changer. Before we had Gemma 2, a small functional model that did its job but wasn't anything groundbreaking. It was decent, but it couldn't compete with the heavyweights of AI. Then came giants like Llama and DeepSeek, which are extremely powerful and intelligent, but come with a major drawback. They require massive infrastructure to function properly. These models demand multiple high-end GPUs, making them expensive to run and difficult for the average user to access. Now we have Gemma 3, which achieves almost the same level of intelligence but is 20 times smaller and incredibly more efficient. It's not just about raw power, it's about making cutting-edge AI accessible to everyone. Whether you're a student, researcher, developer, or business owner, this model allows you to leverage high-performance AI without needing a supercomputer. The model comes in 4 different sizes, making it flexible for different use cases. The smallest version can run on low-end devices, while the largest one competes with the best AI models available today. And it doesn't stop at just processing text. Gemma 3 supports 140 languages, breaking down language barriers like never before. Its advanced visual capabilities allow it to process images, recognize objects, and even assist in real-world scenarios. For example, let's say you have a Japanese remote control and need to activate the heating mode, but you can't read a single character. Guess what? Gemma 3 can instantly translate it for you and tell you exactly what button to press. But that's just scratching the surface. It can also interpret graphs, analyze documents, assist in coding, and even enhance creative workflows by generating content with near-human quality. Simply put, Gemma 3 isn't just an improvement, it's a revolution in how we access and use AI. New features. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting updates, interactive image generation. Until now, AI models could already generate images from text, but Google DeepMind has taken this to a whole new level. Now, instead of just creating an image from scratch, you can upload an input image and request precise modifications, like adding flowers to a table without affecting the rest of the scene. This is a massive breakthrough. In the past, using AI for image editing often resulted in major distortions, where even the smallest adjustment could completely alter the original scene, but Gemma 3 keeps everything intact. It understands context and composition, allowing it to make seamless changes without disrupting the overall look and feel of the image. This has huge implications for graphic design, photography, and even video editing, where precise modifications can be made without the need for complex software or manual adjustments. But wait, it gets even better. The same technology can be applied to interactive learning and education. Imagine having an AI-generated step-by-step visual guide for a recipe, where each step is illustrated in real time with instantly generated images. No more guessing what each stage of a recipe should look like. Gemma 3 will show you exactly what to expect at every step. This kind of technology can revolutionize online tutorials, cooking guides, engineering diagrams, and even medical training, providing visual learning experiences like never before. And that's just the beginning. The ability to modify and enhance images dynamically could also transform augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR applications. Imagine redesigning furniture in your home, testing out new clothing styles, or even visualizing architectural changes in real time, just by describing them to AI. With Gemma 3, AI-powered creativity isn't just expanding, it's evolving into something truly interactive and game-changing. Imagen 3, the new standard in AI visuals, and if you're already amazed, get ready for this. Google DeepMind has also unveiled Imagen 3, one of the most advanced AI image generators in the world. This model isn't just another AI that turns text into images. It competes head-to-head with the best-paid models on the market, delivering hyper-realistic visuals that are sharper, more detailed, and incredibly lifelike. But what truly sets Imagen 3 apart is its ability to infuse creativity into its images, making them look more natural, dynamic, and visually compelling than ever before. Instead of just copying patterns, it understands artistic composition, lighting, and even the emotions within an image, bringing AI-generated visuals closer to human-level creativity. This breakthrough isn't just about better-looking pictures, it's a potential revolution for content creators, designers, marketing agencies, and even film studios. Imagine generating stunning concept art, movie storyboards, or high-end advertisements in seconds, all while maintaining full control over the details and artistic direction. With Imagen 3, brands and creators can save time, reduce production costs, and unlock new creative possibilities that were once limited to professionals with expensive tools. And it doesn't stop there. Imagen 3's precision and adaptability make it ideal for fashion, architecture, game development, and even scientific visualization. Whether you're designing a new clothing line, visualizing futuristic cityscapes, or generating AI-assisted medical imagery, this model raises the bar for what's possible in AI-driven creativity. Simply put, Imagen 3 isn't just another AI, it's a new creative powerhouse that's reshaping the future of digital visuals. The robot that packs your lunch. And now, to top it all off, let's talk about Google DeepMind's new robot. But this isn't just any robot. This is a major leap forward in robotics and AI integration. Unlike traditional robots that follow pre-programmed instructions, this one can react in real time to changes in its environment. It doesn't just execute commands. It adapts, learns, and refines its actions, making it capable of performing tasks that require precision, skill, and flexibility. This level of autonomy and responsiveness was once thought to be impossible for machines, but we're now seeing it in action. Think about what this means for the future. Imagine a world where robots can fold clothes, cook meals, assist with household chores, or even handle delicate tasks in factories and hospitals. This is no longer science fiction. We are closer than ever to a world where AI-powered robots seamlessly integrate into daily life. And just to prove how advanced this system is, the engineers at Google DeepMind decided to put it to the test. They gave it a challenge: perform a slam dunk with a basketball. Now, let's be honest, it's not Michael Jordan, but the fact that it analyzed, adjusted, and successfully completed the task is beyond impressive. This isn't just a cool experiment, it's a glimpse into the future. With advancements like this, we're heading toward an era where robots won't just follow orders. They'll think, learn, and assist us in ways we never imagined possible. Conclusion. So, what's happening at Google DeepMind? First, Gemma 3 exceeded all expectations. Then, Imagen 3 redefined the standards for image generation. And Now, we have intelligent robots that are learning and adapting like never before. It seems like we're entering a new era of AI, but what do you think about these innovations? Are we about to see an even bigger revolution in artificial intelligence? Share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more incredible content. See you in the next video. See you in the